Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Roux cheese sauce. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and shimmering, it's time to add the flour. This initial step is crucial for building the foundation of our delicious cheese sauce. We're aiming for a smooth, golden roux that will thicken our sauce beautifully. This easy method ensures a lump-free base every time, setting you up for success. Now whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with the melted butter. Continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes, creating a smooth, pale paste. This is your roux, the thickening agent for our sauce. It's important to cook out the raw flour taste, so keep stirring until it smells slightly nutty. This step is vital for a rich, flavorful sauce, so don't rush it. Next, slowly pour in 1½ cups of cold milk, whisking continuously as you add it. This gradual addition helps prevent lumps and ensures a silky smooth sauce. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, continuing to whisk until it thickens to your desired consistency. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. The sauce should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Finally, remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1½ cups of your favorite shredded cheese, like sharp cheddar or Gruyere. Stir until the cheese is completely melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Your easy, delicious Roux cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy with pasta, vegetables, or anything you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.